How to fix number keys not working on Windows 10 and 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix number keys not working on Windows 10 or 11. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that, first of all, open your desktop and you'll be seeing your home page. So you're just gonna head over to the search bar and search for control panel. Just head over to your search bar and you just need to type in control panel on your search bar and open it up. Just click on it and open your control panel and you'll be able to see ease of access on your screen. Just go there and tap on ease of access center. After that, just tap on it and you just need to head over to until you are able to see make your keyboard easier to use. And you can see this turn on mouse keys. Make sure to turn it off if this is turned on and tap on apply and simply tap on OK. And that is one of the method on how you can fix it. So the next step is you just need to head over to the search bar again and search for device manager this time and open it up. After opening it up, you'll be able to see this interface on the screen. So you're just gonna go to the keyboard section here and then right click on the keyboard that you have right now on your desktop. After that, you need to update your driver. Go on with browse my computing for drivers option. You can see two options here: search automatically for drivers and browse my computers for drivers. Select the second option and go on here. You can see these let me pick from a list of available devices. You're just gonna select the keyboard that you already have. Like select this one right here. I have this one right here. Tap on next and update your driver and it should be done. So this is the second method you may use in order to fix it. So therefore, these are the two methods that you can use to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.